This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker EBET or Ebet. So I've been covering this ticker here on my channel, and they did make a big explosion from about 2 cents up to 11 cents. So that is a really, really big move, like a 500% move. And typically when you have a stock trading around 2 cents, making a move like that, it doesn't hold up. And that's exactly what we see here. So the massive move, I feel bad for the people here that bought in at 11 cents because if you look at this company fundamentally and financially, they're hemorrhaging money. They're not in a good position. I mean, the prices we're seeing here the last few days, it's way, way overvalued. And I would not be putting my money into a company that is struggling this bad financially. They're about to get delisted from NASDAQ pretty soon here. They've got multiple listing rules that they're violating. And yeah, this company is just not in good shape. And people are, making comments on the channel, daring me to short it, and the thing dumped like 10% yesterday. So, if you're going out here and shorting this thing, especially when it was up here at 11 cents, you're winning, and these people out here trying to pump this crappy stock are losing. So, don't listen to these people. They don't know what they're talking about. They think there's going to be some kind of a massive short squeeze, or I don't know what they think is going to happen with this stock, but the short interest is very low on this stock as well. So it's not like it even has a lot of short interest. So there's no way this thing is going to squeeze. There's not enough short interest. So, what I'm expecting here is for this thing to just bleed out. And for them probably to get delisted. They might do a reverse split, if they can do a reverse split, that might get them above that $1 mark. But I think they've got multiple reasons here as to why, NASDAQ wants to kick them off. I think there's the $1 requirement, which, geez, they blew through that a long time ago. Then there's like a 10-cent requirement. Then I think there's also a minimum equity requirement. So even if they can meet that $1 mark, by doing a reverse split, that doesn't help them with some of the other, the 10-cent one, of course, they could, meet that one, and then the $1 one, they can meet that with the reverse split. But the minimum equity thing could be a problem for them, even if they do a reverse split. So, for me, I still think this is a great short candidate. People are calling me crazy, saying, "Oh, look how low it is. It's at a 52-week low." And it's like, yeah, well, Mullen was at a, if you look at the past year, Mullen was down over 99%. And then they did the reverse split and they tanked they're down almost another 40%. So if you've been in the markets long enough, that just because something has bled out a ton doesn't mean it's not a good short candidate still. I mean, if there's no financials, no fundamentals to save the stock, it's just going to bleed, similar to AMC, right? So it kind of depends. If it's a good company, like you look at like Tesla, they had that fat sell-off, and they dumped down to like $104, but they're a profitable company. They have good financials. So people bought that thing up like crazy at 100, and then it shot up to 300. So it shot up like 200%, went on that crazy rip. So if it's a good company, yeah, buyers are going to step in at some point. But if it's a crappy company with crappy financials and they're just hemorrhaging money, the shorts are just going to continue to kill it. So I'm remaining bearish here on Ebet, and I still think this is a good short opportunity. And if they pump again, let's just say they make another move up here to 11 cents. I mean, they might, sometimes we see some crazy moves on some of these crappy penny stocks. I just see that as another good opportunity to short and let's say average down, if you're shorting around this 6 or 7 cent level and they pump back up to 11, I think that's just another good short because, we see what happens with these penny stocks that make these 500%, 1000% moves. They do go on some crazy little rips, but if there's no fundamentals, no financials behind them, they just bleed out and die off. So you look at BBig, that was another situation where it made a ridiculous move. And then, look how that's working out. I think it's trading at 17 cents or something like that. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker EBET or Ebet. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.